you might find me. Feel mode down from the nose to the toes. Get your cell phone, you can picture every pose. Picture all the clothes, picture all the hoes. Picture the perfection when the money pile grows. You got a crocodile style, I sport gators. They feel might right, so fresh with the flavor. God kind, feel mode #1 sign. Steak, potatoes, garlic bread, and some prawns.
San Francisco, baby. Feel more niggas tryna bring back the 80s.
Yeah, money is the model. And run around town like it's Grand Theft Auto. Chicka-con.
Wally on my hip, good weed in my mouth, gangsta niggas in the whip. Yeah,
you're not dealing with clowns. When you try to kick out, watch your body shut down.
Nigga, I'm a motherfucking fool. Trees for breakfast, see brunch by noon. 24 diamonds on the show in the lip. The rest of the room the same color of the rip. Jump out and crack a nigga shit wide open. Jump back in a nigga with the barrel still smoking. Feel more nigga, yeah, bitch, break bread. I don't want no pussy, I don't want no head. She get a sack of that purple stuff. Some gin in the bag of that Hillary duck. I'm a pimp, trapped in a gangster's body. On dope and a fuck around and hurt somebody. On Tuesday and Thursday the ghosts pull up. Then everybody run cause they'll fuck you up. I'm a shady ass nigga, man, I ain't gon' lie. I just wanna sell dope, smoke weed and get high, you bitch. San Francisco, baby. Feel more niggas tryna bring back the 80s. Wally on my head, good weed in my mouth, gangsta niggas in the clip.
Yo, Chuck, what's the move, man? I was on my way up here to the studio, you know what I'm saying? And this brother stopped me and asked me, yo, what's up with that brother Chucky D? He swear he nice. I said, yo, the brother don't swear he nice, he knows he's nice, you know what I'm saying? So Chuck, I got a feeling you turning into a public enemy, man. Now remember that line you was kicking to me on the way out to LA Lounge in Queens while we was in the car on our way to the shop? Well, yo, right now, kick the bass for them brothers and let them know
what goes on. Rolling stones of the rap game, not bragging. Look bigger than Jagger, not sagging. Roll it backwards, I'ma leave it at that. That ain't got nothing to do with rap. Shut the backs, expose those cats. Who pose as heroes, take advantage of blacks. The government's gangsters will cut the crap. A war going on, so where y'all at? Fight the power, cause great responsibility. F the police, who's stopping you from killing me? His ass is the assholes who look by PE. If his eyes turn to people like a TV. Spread merchant bitches, you think about snitches. Watch them asses move as the masses switches. System test them, I barely missed it. My soul is just to save my brothers and sisters. Get up!
Just like that.
Get up!
Just like that.
Get up!
Just like that.
Get up!
Just like that. Yeah, that's right, Chuck, man. That's what you gotta do. You got to tell them just like that. You know what I'm saying? Cause yo, let me tell you a little something, man. These brothers running around, hard-headed. They get a little jealous, you know what I'm saying? Just like that. You know, they try to bring you down with them. But yo, Chuck, you got to tell them just like that.
Screaming gangster 20 years later. Of course, endorse while consciousness faded. New generations believe in them fables. Gangsta boogie on 2 turntables. Show no love, so it's easy to hate it. Desecrated while the coroner waited. Any given Sunday, so where y'all rated? With slavery, lynching, and them drugs infiltrated. I'm like that doll Chucky, baby. Keep coming back to live love life like I'm crazy. Keep it moving, rising to the top. Dumb, fresh, clean living, you don't stop. Revolution means change, don't look at me strange. So I can't repeat what other rappers be saying. If you don't stand for something, you fall for anything. Harder than you think is a beautiful thing. Get up!
Just like that.
Get up!
Just like that.
Get up!
Just like that.
Get up!
Just like that. Yeah, that's right, Chuck, man. That's what you gotta do. You got to tell them just like that. You know what I'm saying? Cause yo, man, let me tell you a little something, man. These brothers running around, hard-headed. They get a little jealous, you know what I'm saying? Just like that. You know, they try to bring you down with them. But yo, Chuck, you got to tell them just like that.
So it's time to leave you a preview, so you too can review what we do. 20 years in this business, how you sell soul, gee whiz. People bear witness. Thank you for letting us be ourselves. So don't mind me if I repeat myself. These simple lines be good for your health, to keep them crime rhymes on the shelf. Live love life like you just don't care. 5,000 leaders never scared.